guys, and today I made this pretty cool gumball machine in Melon Playground. So yeah, I did change from cool melon to glitched present. But anyway, this is the gumball machine. So if you see this lever, you can flick it. You can flick the lever. But I haven't found out how to also do this one though. So anyway, but this is the satisfying part. A gumball will roll down. Yeah, but if we look at imposter me, you can see that I have a smaller version. This does not have the lever. So if I do that and one falls, it's gonna be a smaller one. But tell me in the comments which one do you like more, and I'll do it in the next video because I'm doing a school thing in the next one. So tell me which one you like, which one's better, the small one or the big one. Okay, thank you, bye.